Very good morning, class. Now we'll start our chapter 2 of subject civics, diversity and discrimination. And the topic is that on being discriminated against. Okay, students, as I told you in previous video also that India is based on the caste system. Okay, so India had caste-based society. As you know, I have told you about the 4 castes, that is Brahmin, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Shudra. Okay, so people are wanted to doing their activities according to its caste systems. Okay, that's why the people doing activities like cleaning, washing, picking garbage and escrita. That I have told you about that fourth, the last one caste, that is called a Shudra. Okay, we are talking about the time it's before the independence. Okay, if we just talk about the timings before the independence, so these caste system is very rigged. Okay, this was very prominent and people do their activities and occupation according to this caste. Okay, then if we talk about the fourth one, that last one, and these people always mostly they did the activities like cleaning, washing, picking garbage, picking garbage and escrita. Even earlier time, previous, before that independence, their persons also did this job for picking the escrita. Escrita, you know, the wastage of your, all this wastage. Picking dead bodies, even dead bodies also of animal, cutting hairs, etc. What considered as a low caste thing. Okay, these all activities, a person who perform all these activities, do all these activities, they consider as a low caste people and seen to be as dirty and impure. ठीक है, और इनको किस तरीके से देखा जाता था? इनको बहुत dirty और impure कहा जाता था because they did all these activities. You know that if you talk about your grandparents, so they will also tell you कि how these people were treated that time. ठीक है, जो अभी भी बहुत अच्छी तरीके को नहीं माना जाता है. Those who picks the dead bodies of animals, who's cutting the hairs, and now this has been now stopped. Okay, and then I was in my childhood. When I was in my childhood, I remember that sweeper came to our home and they clean our toilets also. So they always came at the back door. Even he went out of the home, that mamas and all our maids clean all that homes also. So these type of a person who's conducted these activities, they considered as a low caste and always treated as a dirty and impure. While people of other professions like rulers, I told you there are 4 castes. So rulers, who are the rulers? That's Kshatriya. Okay, trading used to say business. That business is for Vaishya. And education. The main thing is that education is a Brahmins were considered as a upper caste. These people considered as a upper caste, and these upper caste people treated the lower caste people so badly. Okay, most of the lower caste people houses are always out of the main city. They are not supposed to live with the same society of the upper caste. Yes, lives of lower caste were very miserable with no respect at all. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, जो अपर कास्ट के लोग हुआ करते थे वो लोग इनको बहुत ही इनकी जो लोअर कास्ट लोगों की जो लाइफ थी वो बहुत मिसरेबल थी एंड जो अपर कास्ट के लोग थे दे डिडंट पे देम द रेस्पेक्ट एट ऑल. ठीक है, बट देखो इवन these people were not allowed to sit with them and they were not allowed to take the education with them. Okay, and even the children were also not allowed to sit with the upper caste children. Okay, तो जो लोग गार्बेज पिक करते थे या एक्स्ट्रा पिक करते थे, डेड बॉडीज हो गए, एनिमल्स की डेड बॉडीज उठाते थे, तो उन लोगों को जो अपर कास्ट के लोग थे वो बहुत मतलब दे गिव अ वेरी बैड ट्रीटमेंट टू देम. Okay, and considered as a lower caste. But we are talking about before the independence. After that independence, I told you that conditions has been too much changed and so many efforts efforts put by the government to take out all this lower caste people to upper one. Okay, now they are considered as a untouchable. ठीक है, this lower caste people considered as a untouchable. Untouchable means untouchable, मतलब जिनको छूना भी मना होता है. ओके, मतलब जिनके छूने से या जिनके टच होने से ही आप डर्टी हो जाते हो, इम्प्योर हो जाते हो. सो दीज लोअर कास्ट पीपल कंसिडर्ड एज अ अनटचेबल. इवन उनको सेम क्लास में आने भी सर्व नहीं किया जाता था. इफ दे केम टू सम फॉर टेकिंग सम फूड आइटम एंड ऑल दैट फ्रॉम द मार्केट, तो इनकी जो एक स्टिक होती थी स्टूडेंट, इन दैट स्टिक दे हैड अ वन बैग. So when they start coming in the market and even some to purchase something from the market, that the bell was ringing, तो जो लोग हुआ करते थे वो भी अलग हो जाते थे, जिससे कि जो वो अनटचेबल्स हैं वो किसी से टच ना हो जाए एंड दे वांट टू मेक दैट अदर्स इम्प्योर. ओके, सो इस तरीके से जो लोअर कास्ट के जो लोग थे उनकी लाइफ बहुत मिजरेबल थी. एंड I told you that they considered as untouchables by the upper caste people. They were not allowed to change their profession nor did their children. One thing is there, students, I told you so many times that in earlier time and previous time, this caste system was very big and prominent. Those who are born in a which category or which society or a caste, they did a same profession. Even they couldn't change their profession. The child born in Kshatriya caste, so he would be a ruler, and if the child born in Brahmin, so he would be a educational, and if he would be born in the lower caste, so he would do all these things whatever the family persons were doing from the earlier time. ठीक है, मीन्स टू से जो बच्चा अगर जिस कास्ट में पैदा होता था उसको वही प्रोफेशन अपना कैरी ऑन करना होता था. ठीक है, दे कैन नॉट चेंज देयर प्रोफेशन इवन. ओके, सपोज आई बॉर्न इन ब्राह्मण्स फैमिली, सो आई विल गिव एजुकेशन. इफ द चाइल्ड बॉर्न इन क्षत्रिय फैमिली, ही वुड बी अ रूलर. अ चाइल्ड वुड बी इन वैश्य फैमिली, सो he will do a business. Or a child born in a Shudra caste, so he would be a Shudban. So उसको वो सारे काम करने होते थे जो उसके कास्ट के लोग करते आ रहे थे. ऐसा नहीं था कि वो अपनी मर्जी से प्रोफेशंस को चेंज करें. ओके, they were not allowed to enter homes or upper caste people or take water from village wells or even enter in temples. Okay, these lower caste people were not allowed. Students, just remember we are talking about the time before the independence. ठीक है, और हम किस टाइम के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं? जब इंडिया को इंडिपेंडेंस नहीं मिली थी, उससे पहले के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो दीज लोअर कास्ट पीपल इवन दे कुड नॉट टेक द वाटर फ्रॉम द विलेज वेल. वो उस कुएं से पानी नहीं ले सकते थे बच्चों जहाँ से अपर कास्ट के लोग पानी ले. ठीक है, इवन दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर द होम ऑफ द अपर कास्ट पीपल्स. ठीक है, काम तो अपर कास्ट को भी इनसे ही होता था. अब देखो, अगर लोअर कास्ट के लोग अगर क्लीनिंग नहीं करेंगे या गार्बेज नहीं पिक करेंगे, या सपोज दे स्टॉप डूइंग दैट, पिकिंग द डेड बॉडीज एंड एक्सक्रीटा, सो हाउ दिस caste, upper caste manage for the cleaning system? How they will manage the cleaning system? So काम तो सारे जो लोअर कास्ट के लोग थे वो सारे काम करते थे, तो इंट्रैक्शन तो होता था, बट इवन उनके साथ बहुत डिस्क्रिमिनेशन था. ओके, एंड दे आर नॉट अलाउड टू एंटर इन द होम ऑफ द अपर कास्ट पीपल. ओके, इवन वो एक गाँव, पहले तो विलेज हुआ करते थे स्टूडेंट्स. Earlier there were not cities, so village are very compact one. It's very close. Village were very close, and every villagers, a person who was living in a village, they know well to each other, and they know about their profession also. तो ऐसा भी नहीं था कि आप अपने प्रोफेशन को छुपा सकते हैं या आप किसी से झूठ बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, आफ्टर दैट even these lower people could not leave that the same village and they didn't go in a other village also. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं था कि वो एक विलेज को छोड़ के दूसरे विलेज में चले जाए एंड दे स्टार्ट डूइंग सम अदर प्रोफेशन. दे even they could not do like this also, because when they went over there in some new village, definitely जो वहाँ पर भी अपर कास्ट के लोग हैं वो उनसे पूछेंगे कि आप क्या काम करते हो या आप कहाँ से आए हो. ठीक है, so this is a very hard conditions they have faced. Even their lower caste children could not sit next to the children of upper caste. और ये सब चीजें, ये डिस्क्रिमिनेशन कब से स्टार्ट हो जाता था स्टूडेंट्स? ये बड़ों के साथ तो डिस्क्रिमिनेशन होता ही होता था. दे वर डिस्क्रिमिनेटेड, बट दिस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम द चिल्ड्रन ऑल्सो, बिकॉज इवन दैट लोअर कास्ट चिल्ड्रन दे कुड नॉट सिट विद द upper caste children. They were not allowed to take education in a same school. If a child was taking a education in a same school, so they were not allowed to sit with the upper caste children. They are maybe they were sitting on the floor. They are not supposed to sit on a table and a chair. Okay, they couldn't use this table and chair. They would be sit down on the floor or some mat somewhere, maybe some out of the class also, and they were not supposed to drink water from the same tap from where the upper caste children use that water taps. Okay, so this type of very strict discriminations were carried on that time. Okay, students. Next point is that lower caste people call themselves Dalits. Okay, as to according to that one system के अकॉर्डिंग मैंने आपको कास्ट का डिवीजन बताया है. तो लोअर कास्ट को वन के अकॉर्डिंग क्या कहा जाता है? शूद्र कहा जाता है. बट दीज लोअर कास्ट पीपल कॉल देमसेल्फ दलित्स. उन्होंने जो लोअर कास्ट पीपल थे उन्होंने अपने आप को क्या बोला? दलित्स बोला. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दलित? दलित मीन्स ब्रोकन. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दलित? दलित मीन्स ब्रोकन. ब्रोकन मीन्स टूटा हुआ. ओके, it shows how social prejudice have broken the Dalit people. It means उन्होंने अपने दलित क्यों बोला? Because the meaning of Dalit is broken. It means to say that जो हमारे prejudice है उसकी वजह से the cause of that Dalit peoples broken in so many ways. Okay, not in a financially, not in a economically way, but in a mentally, then physically. ठीक है, इमोशनली कितनी बार उनको वो इमोशनली ब्रोक हुए हैं, मेंटली उनको कितना कैसा फील होता होगा जब उनके साथ इस तरीके का ट्रीटमेंट होता है. सपोज यू जस्ट थिंक कि इफ you are going to school and you are not allowed to sit with the other students, you have to sit out of the class, or you are not allowed to drink a water with the same tap. So how would you be feel that time? You really feel bad ना? कितना खराब लगेगा आपको. एंड एवरीबडी, आपको सब लोग बड़े अजीब से देखें, आपके बारे में अलग अलग तरह की बातें करें, है ना, और आपको मतलब आपका टच तो बहुत दूर की बात है, आपसे बहुत दूर होके चले, तो डेफिनेटली वी फील बैड. यस, हमें बुरा लगता है ना. इवन अगर हमारा कोई फ्रेंड हमसे बोलना छोड़ देता है, इफ दे स्टॉप टॉकिंग विद अस, तो वी फील इट सो बैड. और आप उन लोगों के बारे में सोचिए, दोज फेस दिस टाइप ऑफ अ प्रॉब्लम फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम. ओके, ठीक है, जिन लोगों ने ये सारी जो इश्यूज हैं उनके साथ बहुत लंबे समय से वो फेस करते आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो उन्होंने दैट्स वाई जो लोअर कास्ट पीपल थे उन्होंने अपने आप को क्या कहलाया? दलित कहलाया. मीन्स टू से दलित मीन्स होता है ब्रोकन, टूटा हुआ. उनको कई बार हर तरीके से तोड़ा गया, इमोशनली, फिजिकली एंड फाइनेंशियली ऑल्सो. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, so in this way this is a difference between the upper caste and the lower caste people, and it was the how I told you here how these lower caste people were treated by the upper caste peoples. Okay, see students, now all the caste based discrimination not only prevented the Dalits from undertaking certain economic activities, but also it denies them to respect and dignity given to others. Okay, means to say student, due to this discrimination, caste system and caste discrimination. This discrimination just prevented Dalits, means to say that the Dalits were not undertaking the certain economic activities, means to say उनको economic activities में भी include नहीं करा गया, बल्कि जिस उनको जो respect और उनकी जो dignity उनको मिलनी चाहिए थी, they were also they also didn't get all this respect and dignity which the other caste got it. ठीक है, जो अपर कास्ट को मिलती थी, जो रेस्पेक्ट अदर कास्ट को मिलती थी, जो उनके अपर कास्ट की डिग्निटी थी, इवन लोअर कास्ट को वो रेस्पेक्ट या डिग्निटी भी नहीं मिली, एंड दे हैवंट गॉट एनी इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज. इवन स्टूडेंट्स, people just considered as a very impure and they don't want to get their shadow on them also. I told you one incident that when there is a upper city and a lower city. Okay, in upper city it is a two part of a one city in the previous time. Okay, and in this upper city most of the rulers and the upper caste people live, and the lower city it is out of the space, it is outside the space of the city where this lower caste people lived. Okay, and when they had some work in market, तो उनको कहा जाता था कि you must come in the time of afternoon, because in that afternoon you all know that our shadow becomes very short, है ना. तो उनको कहा जाता था कि अगर आपको मार्केट में आना है तो you have to come the market in that afternoon because nobody wants to get your shadow even, means to say लोग उनकी shadow देखना भी या उनकी shadow के उसमें आना भी पसंद नहीं करते थे, and they considered as them impure. Okay, so this type of a treatment they all usually faced. Okay, students, they lived in a space outside of the main village and were not allowed to enter in the village without permission. Means to say they used to live, मैंने आपको बताया, as they used to live outside space of the village, and if they want to enter in the village, they had to take the permission from the upper caste. They had no rights and they were prone to any atrocity or harm. This is a very good word, student. Atrocity means to say कभी कोई बहुत बड़ी worst accident हो जाना या condition से create हो जाना. They had no rights. उनके पास उनके कोई rights नहीं थे. They don't have any authority. There is no judgments for them. उनके लिए कोई courts नहीं हुआ करती थी. Okay, and they couldn't say for the judgment also. And they are very likely. Pond means likely, very likely, and they are very likely to happen anything, any worse conditions happen with them. Means उनके साथ कुछ भी बुरा हो सकता था. Okay, and after our freedom, when we got the freedom from the British rule, the topic is starting from equality. For equality, equality means to say same opportunities for all. Now how the conditions changed. Okay, when we are struggling for our freedom from the British, it includes the struggle of freedom of various people to improve their lives also. Britishers से freedom क्या तो struggle था ही था, but साथ में क्या था students? We have to get the freedom from so many things, so many this practices were going on. There's a caste practices going on in our country, so we have to struggle for to get freedom for all these things. Dalits, women, tribals, and the peasants fought against the inequality they experienced in their lives. Okay, so that time that हम ब्रिटिश से तो अपने फ्रीडम के लिए स्ट्रगल कर ही रहे थे, उसी समय हमारा स्ट्रगल किसके लिए स्टार्ट हो गया, जो हमारी दलित वुमेन्स थी, ट्राइबल्स थे, दलित्स जो थे, और जो पेजेंट्स थे, मीन्स टू से जो मजदूर थे, लेबर क्लास थे, उन्होंने भी अपना स्ट्रगल स्टार्ट करा फॉर गेटिंग देयर इक्वलिटी, फॉर गेटिंग द राइट ऑफ इक्वलिटी. Okay, Dalits demanded equal rights, equal opportunities, and entry into temples. What they are asking for? They are asking for the equal rights. कि उनको भी equal rights मिले, उनको भी हर जगह entry मिले. They got all the rights of education even, and the opportunities which all they have the upper caste. Okay, and they asking for the entry into the temples also. Women demanded rights to education. This is a very main point. Women demanded right to education and equality. Even the women are also asking about the right of education because that before independence and after independence also, it is not considered to be a good thing that we have to send our girl एजुकेशन. सो शुरू से ही जो वुमेन की जो स्टेटस है, वुमेन्स की जो कंडीशन इज वेरी मिसरेबल इन आवर country. So this women were also start asking for the right of education and equality. Okay, peasants and tribal fought to themselves for grabs to money lenders and high interest taxes. As I told you that they don't have their own lands. ठीक है, तो वो उनके पास ना तो लैंड हुआ करती थी, ना उनके अपना कोई खेती हुआ करती थी. What they do? They did work the upper class persons. ओके, वो किसके यहाँ काम किया करते थे? जो अपर कास्ट लोग हुआ करते थे उनकी ही लैंड्स पे वो काम किया करते थे. एंड समटाइम्स दे हैव टू पे अ वेरी हाई इंटरेस्ट टैक्सेस ऑल्सो. समटाइम्स इन मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स दे हैव टू पे. इवन उनकी जो मनी हुआ करता था, जो उनकी जमीन लैंड हुआ करती थी, दे ऑल्सो ग्रैस्प्ड बाय द मनी लेंडर्स. सो दैट पेजेंट एंड ट्राइबल ऑल्सो फॉट अगेंस्ट ऑल दिस थिंग्स. India gained independence in 1947 and our leaders were concerned about the different kinds of inequality that existed. Okay. Now when we got the independence in 1947, our social reformers, they did lot of work over there and they really want to abolish this inequality from our country. They wrote the constitution. As you know that Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, he was the father of a constitution. He wrote the constitution for our country in such a way that ensured that all the people of India were considered equal. ठीक है, जिससे उन्होंने इस तरीके का कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन लिखा है स्टूडेंट्स कि इंडिया के सभी लोगों को एक इक्वल राइट मिले एंड दे वर कंसिडर्ड एज अ इक्वल पर्सन. पीपल वर फ्री टू चूज एनी जॉब. ओके, बियॉन्ड दिस कास्ट सिस्टम the people were free to choose any job. Means to say, I told you that due to this caste system the people are wanted to choose a particular job in which caste they born. Okay, but here this according to our constitution the people are free to choose any job and government jobs were open to all. Through this constitution these government jobs are open to all. Untouchability is seen as a crime and legally abolished by the law. ठीक है, हर किसी को हर तरीके की जॉब्स ओपन हो. देयर इज नो कास्ट बार फॉर द जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज. इवन दैट गवर्नमेंट जॉब्स आर ऑल्सो ओपन फॉर ऑल द पीपल्स. देयर इज नो कास्ट बार इवन दैट गवर्नमेंट जॉब ऑल्सो. एंड अनटचेबिलिटी एज कंसिडर्ड एज अ क्राइम. ओके, एंड उसके लिए उसको लीगली अबॉलिश करा गया बाय लॉ. मीन्स टू से उसको खत्म करने के लिए लॉ के थ्रू उसको प्रॉपरली अनटचेबिलिटी को अबॉलिश करा गया, खत्म करा गया. ओके, इफ अ पर्सन कंसिडर्ड एज द अदर पर्सन एज अनटचेबल ही पॉइंट टू बी एज लाइक अ क्राइम. सो इन दिस वे व्हेन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन वर्क so due for making the equality for all the person, all the people of our country, we write our constitution in such a way to ensure the people of Indians are all equal and everybody will get the equal rights for their education and equality. So in this way students we have talked about the diversity and discrimination and in this comprehension student I will just give you the one small story of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. He was born in 1891, okay, and he was considered as the father of constitution. Okay, and he also known as the leader of Dalits. Okay students, you can see this page in your book also. This one, it is visible to you all. Yeah, so he was born into the Mahar caste. Mahar caste also considered as a lower caste which was considered as a untouchable. Mahar caste को students क्या consider करा जाता है? Untouchable. The Mahar were poor, on no land and children born to themselves had do to the work their parents did. ठीक है, और ये भी this is also a poor caste. Okay, and the children born to them also had to do the work with their parents did. They lived in a space outside the main village and were not allowed into the village. ठीक है, ये महार कास्ट जो थी वो भी अनटचेबल कास्ट थी और इसमें जो भी बच्चा बॉर्न होता था उसको वही काम करना पड़ता था जो उसके पेरेंट्स करते थे. Okay, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar was the first person from his caste who completed his college education and went to the England to become a lawyer. But जो भीमराव अम्बेडकर थे वो इस कास्ट में से पहले पर्सन ऐसे थे जो कि इन्होंने अपनी एजुकेशन कंप्लीट करी और फिर वो इंग्लैंड गए एज ए लॉयर बनने के लिए. He encouraged Dalit to send their children to school and college. He also argued Dalits to take on different kind of a government job in order to move out the caste system. Okay, he led many efforts of Dalits to gain entry into the temple. Later in life, he converted the Buddhism in his search for a religion that treated all members equal. Okay, उन्होंने बहुत सारे एफर्ट्स करे स्टूडेंट्स हाउ कि दैट दलित्स कैन गेट द एंट्री इन द टेम्पल्स ऑल्सो. एंड लेटर ऑन उन्होंने जो बुद्धिज्म था, okay, this is the only one religion that it is not considered anybody as unequal, so they converted the Dalits in Buddhism. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar believed that Dalit must fight the caste system and work towards a society based on the respect not just for a few but all person. Okay, so and you know that the Bhimrao Ambedkar is the father of our constitution, so he wrote our constitution, he made our constitution, and through this constitution he tried to abolish all this inequality and the untouchability. So students, hope so do you understand this chapter very well. If you are having any query, you can ask me tomorrow's Zoom class. Okay, have a nice day, take care. Yes students, if we talk about the discrimination and that is gender inequality, so I have you can see that there is a lot of discrimination between the boys and girls. There is some stereotype statements we have already discussed in your Zoom class. So you can see that there is a lot of discrimination between the girls and boys, and most of the time that in earlier time, previous time, that girl child was not allowed to send for education because it was thinking over there that there is no need to get educated the girl child because she has to stay at home and she did only a household work. But the things has been changed now. Okay, so in this way you can see this is a gender inequality. Okay bachcho, now we'll talk about the how to protest that caste based system. Okay, I have told you that Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, he was the father of our constitution, Indian constitution. He was also belonged to a Mahar community. It is also a lower caste, but he was the first person who get educated and went to London for become a lawyer. After when he came back from there, okay, so he did lot of things. He did law for uplifting the lower caste and he became a leader of lower caste. Okay, you can see that for the gender inequality, sab padhe sab bade. Okay, that girls were also start asking and they were also doing a struggle for their education. Okay, as I told you that earlier, that girl did not send for education, for studies further. So in this way, when we got our freedom and we were struggling for our freedom, that the women and the girls were also struggling for their same rights, equal rights. Okay, you can see this picture. Now here you can see there is a excreta, what I told you, what work done by the lower caste. So they were picking garbage, okay, excreta and this cleaning, okay, and barber who cuts our hair, cobbling, even cobblers, this type of occupation done by the lower caste. Okay, now you can see they are cleaning, they are labor. Yeah, so these were all done by the lower caste people. Therefore he was cleaning that sewage. Yes, so this type work done by the lower caste, and they considered as a very impure and dirty. Okay, see that woman discrimination, she was picking a screta. Okay, she is cleaning that. This is the one poster that is suppressed by the, it shows the higher caste, upper caste people, and these are the lower caste people. Those who are suppressed under the pressure of upper caste. Okay, upper caste, you know that Brahmin, Kshatriya and Vaishya are considered as a upper caste, and the Shudra as considered as lower caste. Later on, Shudra will start calling Dalits. See. Okay, so this type of a work done by the lower caste people. So hope so student, do you understand this topic and this chapter very well? If you are having any query regarding all these things, so you can ask me in your WhatsApp.